Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change the price of a product on Shopify, step by step, updated for 2025. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Open your Shopify admin dashboard and go to Products on the left-hand menu. Step 2. Scroll through your product list or use the search bar to find the product you want to edit. Step 3. Click on the product name to open its details page. Step 4. Under the pricing section, you'll see the current price and the compare at price field. Simply enter your new selling price in the price field. Step 5, if you're running a promotion, you can use the compare at price to show the original price above the new discounted one. Step 6, scroll to the top or bottom of the page and click Save to apply the changes. Note, if your product has multiple variants, such as sizes or colors, make sure to update the price for each variant individually. And that's it. You've successfully updated a product's price on your Shopify store for 2025. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more Shopify tutorials. Thanks for watching. Ready?